Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Windows Hello Pin. Whenever you're trying to sign in, you got the error, something happened and your pin is not available. Click to set up your pin again. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I suggest you to make sure you are connected to the internet, and once connected to the internet, go ahead and try to sign in using your Microsoft login password to fix out the issue. Else, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. At this point of time, you need to press and hold the shift key and then click on this turn off icon and choose the option restart. I am again telling you to make sure to press and hold the shift key and then click on this particular option, which is restart, so that your system will restart into the advanced troubleshooting mode. I'll go ahead and do the same. Press and hold the shift key and then choose the option restart. Now at this point of time, click on the option troubleshoot. Now click on the option advanced options, and here you will find the option of system restore. Go ahead and choose this option. Go ahead, simply select your account, type in your login password, which is your Microsoft internet password. So if there is any restore point available, it will ask you to restore to the latest version. But if you do not have any restore point, just like I don't have, go ahead, click on the option cancel. Again, troubleshoot, advanced options, and this time click on the option command prompt. Now in CMD, paste a command, regedit, and then hit the enter key. Now here click on the file menu and choose the option import. Now click on this PC, open your Windows installation drive, then Windows folder. Here find service profile, open it, open local service. Here right click on local service and choose the option properties. Go ahead and copy the path as it is. Select it, right click, copy. Once it is done, cancel. Now type here ICACLS space the path that we have just copied by pressing the Ctrl+V key, / local service, again / app data, again / local, again / Microsoft, again /ngc space /t space /q space /c space /reset, and then hit the enter key. Once it is done, now type in REN space, again paste the path that we have just copied by pressing Ctrl+V key. Now / local service, again app data, / local / Microsoft / ngc space ngc.old. Now hit the enter key. If this command is successfully completed, go ahead and restart your PC and you will be able to log in using your Windows or Microsoft login password. But however, if you can see you got any kind of error, go ahead and again close it. Again choose troubleshoot, advanced, command prompt, and type here regedit and then hit the enter key. Now click on the option H key local machine, then click on the file menu and choose the option load hive. Here you need to open this PC, your Windows installation drive, and then open Windows folder. Here find system32 folder, find config folder, open it, scroll down and you will find a file with the name software. Click on it and choose the option open. Give it a name as software. Now hit the OK button. Now expand H key local machine, and here you will find a file that we have just renamed with the name as software. Expand it. Here find Microsoft folder, expand it. Find Windows NT folder by pressing the W key and expand it. Click on current version and again expand it. Here press the P key to find passwordless folder. Expand it and click on the option device. Here you will find a file with the name device passwordless. Double click to open it. In value data, give it a value as 0. Then hit the OK button. Now close it. Now click on the option exit and continue to Windows 10. This will go ahead and restart your system, and then you will be able to log in using your Windows password. Again, if this method failed to work out, you need to again open the same advanced troubleshooting steps and then open the command prompt screen. In last method, again troubleshoot, advanced options, command prompt. First of all, you need to find your Windows installation drive. So you need to type in dir space C double column and hit the enter key. This is not your drive. Now type dir space D double dot and hit the enter key. Now program files are in drive D. That means that letter D is your Windows installation drive. Now type in cd space slash your Windows installation drive, which is D, space again D double dot forward slash Windows again forward slash system32 and hit the enter key. Now type in copy space cmd.exe space utilman.exe and hit the enter key. Once the command is successfully completed, close it and choose the option exit and continue to Windows 10. Now after restarting, you need to click on this option, which is accessibility. As soon as you click on this option, a command prompt will open. I'll go ahead and click on it. Now once this particular command is opened, simply click on the option normal startup. Once you have done this, click on the option apply and hit the OK button. This will go ahead, restart your system in the normal startup, and in turn fix out the issue of something happened and your pin is not available. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.